Hey guys, what's going on? This is items for sale. They have disregard that pile because that is not for sale. So, and either is the iPhone, but you know that's kind of obvious. First up, I got this thing. Lift up and out, and then pull lever on the inside. So, and you can see that's what it is. So, nothing much else to it. You got a plate if you want it. You just have to pay shipping for it. I won't charge you. Make me an offer on the other thing. This is a simplex horn. I might keep it, I might not, depending on the offer. So, yeah. Next, I got two FCI MS2, I believe these are pull stations. One of them's Johnson Controls, but it's pretty much the same thing. And I don't remember which key it is on my keys, so that's why they're not reset, because as you can see, it's pulled up here. Next, I have some kind of simplex cover for this body here. I think what it was more a seems like it was like a battery holder, but if you want it, you're gonna pay shipping on that. So, and then I also have a plate over there. You have to pay shipping on that as well. And then I got this Siemenson's pull station. So you lift it up and then pull down, and that's what it is. Next I got this other Siemenson's pull station. It's already pulled and it's missing a screw. So if you can find a screw for in here, would be my guess. But make an offer on any of these items that you are interested in. I will not accept offers in the comment section. Please see the description below for more information. And then I also have this Bosch pull station. Yeah, it's brand new. I just haven't used it. Non-adjustable. And then we go over here. We got a BG12 with no lock. My original plan was to put a lock like something like this into there, but that wasn't a good idea. So, and then next we have a Gentex Commander 3. I don't have the back plate for it. Excuse me. So, I mean, it's your choice. And then I already sold that, or whatever. And then I have a 2988 or whatever, 2098 horn. And then I have a simplex True Alert strobe, which doesn't work. And next I have a Space Age electronics strobe. And then let's see what else we have in here. Another simplex horn. It's like a quantity of two of these. And I know I have more fire alarms, but I don't know what the hell they are. And then I also have a simplex 2901-9525 horn. Yeah. Next, I have a strobe plate for this alarm, or if it works, that. So, if you want to do the two combined, let me know, and I'll come up with a price or make an offer. I have a strobe, just like this one, but I don't have a plate for it, so it's pretty much just a strobe. But if you have a plate for it, make an offer. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? Mircom heat detector. I don't know if it works, never tried it, never used it, so all these items are sold as is, but most of them should work, but I know for a fact that one doesn't, or does a True Alert. Okay, next we have an EST fire alarm test station, smoke alarm indicator thingy, reset. I don't know if I'm going to sell this or not, but depending on if I get a new panel from Simplex, that just depends. But I've been talking with Simplex here in the local area. He says he's got some stuff for me. I don't know what it is yet. I think he said he has a 4005 and some other ones. So depending on what I want, then we'll go from there. Okay. Come on. See, I hate this thing. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Gentex orange or strobe, sorry. Okay, that's on the fire alarm. A burnt Wheelock AS, and if you need it for parts, repair, other things like of that nature, you need to let me know. Oops. And last but not least, my favorite of all, a Simplex pull station. This is one of my favorites. I don't know if I'll sell it, but you gotta let me know. Well, if there's a good offer for it, I just might. Because I've never seen an actual Simplex pull station like this, except for this one I have. So, and I don't know what tech's going on, but it's pretty sweet. So yeah, and I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. I have this plug-in Gentex Commander 3, and has a test in a normal position, and when it's on test it beeps like a smoke detector, and then the strobe flashes. But I might keep that just for looks. So, but that is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is all for sale, and this stuff over here, and then this if offer is right, and then all this stuff over here is not for sale. But I think I do have more alarms, I just haven't looked. I know I have, a lot more, so I think I do have I might have a spare. If I do have a spare Edwards Integrity, then I will sell one of them like this. So, but I'll figure that out once I find out. And let's see what time it is. 12:31. So this should be up here pretty soon. But that's it. So also, if you're interested in DJ gear, head on over to the DJSupplyStore.com. Thanks, and I'll put everything in the description below for more information on the fire alarm stuff that's for sale. So make sure you check it out. And there's Sheppy. Hi Sheppy, what's going on? What you doing? Oh, what you doing, Sheppy? Huh? Oh, okay. But anyway, that's about it. So, take care.